Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Thursday, October 16th. What do we got going on today from Forex Factory news wise? We've got FOMC member Waller speaking, FOMC member Barr speaking, and FOMC member Moran speaking, all at the same time at 9 a.m. 10 a.m., we have FOMC member Bowman speaking, and we have the housing market index. All these are yellow items, so not too worried about that. The IMF is meeting today. 10:30 we have natural gas storage. 10:45, no 10:45. We have a 12 noon crude oil inventories. And we have 4:15 another talking head, Moran speaking, and cash carry at 6 p.m. So a lot of people speaking and a lot of no numbers. So I remind you that the U.S. government data may be impacted by the shutdown. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision, or cancellation. So we really don't have much going on today. Now I'm actually shooting this at 7:30 or 7:25 a.m. Eastern time, which is well before I normally shoot the session. That being said, it's a great example of why am I doing this early? Well, a whole trifecta of things have come together that are going to mess up my trading day. And so the reason why I'm bringing this up is that there are going to be times when life gets in the way of your trading, and you just have to not worry about it and say, hey, it's okay to not have a trade today. It's okay not to be trading. My son's car broke down. I have to I have to go meet a wrecker to have it towed to the shop. The other thing that had happened is I have a rental property. They called me last night, said the refrigerator has stopped working. So I have a bunch of stuff that has to be done that is going to impact my trading today. Maybe I'll get to trade after lunch. We'll have to wait and see. But the point being is that there are going to be days like this in every trader's life. You can't worry about it. Move on. Tomorrow's another day. The market's always open tomorrow. So, yeah, there you have it. Let's look at charts, though. Moving on. Let's take a look at the daily chart first. Yesterday, again, this market is just resilient. Decent volume up, from the previous day. Continues to look like it's going to come back and retest the highs. We're currently gapping up above the 20-day moving average. We're above the 50-day. The bullish trend is still intact. Continue to just go up for no good reason. That being said, there is the high from yesterday is definitely going to be resistance. It's a high volume node, 67.66. If we get past that, there's no reason why this thing can't retest the all-time highs. On the downside, we need to take out yesterday's low, which is a low volume node at 66.50-ish area. Looking at the inventory. So inventory was positive on positive price action. Market is moving on all cylinders, right? It is doing what it's supposed to do. When price goes up, inventory should expand. That's what it did. So nothing to worry about there. Looking at the overnight was relatively flat, 42 points actually, which is about twice average. But compared to the last couple of days, that's kind of tame. We've had much higher levels overnight. And you can see just by looking at the chart here that it was in a fairly tight 20-point range until the London market opened, and then it has continued to go up. Where do we have support and resistance? We've got resistance up above 57.57, some confluence at 67.67, 67.80, 6,800, of course, the whole number. If we get up above that, there is a level at 68.28. For support, we have a little bit of confluence down here at 67.03. That's probably just really, really close to the 6,700 psychological level. If we get below 6,700, we could accelerate. I can see 66.80 and retesting yesterday's low at 66.50-ish. We break that low, could get some acceleration then, 66.35, 66.20. 6,600, of course, is certainly plausible, and That would be another psychological level that could be good support. Break that, it could get ugly to the downside, but there's no reason to believe that that could actually happen. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 71.4. 71.4 positive bias by a big margin. So there you have it. That's all I've got for you. Hopefully, I will get to trade later if all my little distractions work themselves out. And hopefully, you have a good trading day as well. Happy trading. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.